How to use Todoist filters. Want to see only tasks that matter? Here's how to use filters in Todoist. So first, go ahead and open Todoist, and then go ahead and head over into that project where you want to use the filter or label. So click on display at the top right, and from here you should find the filters section. So in here, go ahead and set this to that specific filter you want to use. For example, you only want to filter out all of the tasks with the label app. Simply set this to that, and you'd be able to find all of the tasks with that label. Now, if you want to also view tasks that has been completed, you can go ahead and enable this, and you should find all of the completed tasks under that section where that completed task is assigned. And that is how you can easily use Todoist filters.